Hello, I'm Justin Stokes, and I'm the Community School Coordinator at Seaside Middle School. Go Eagles! All right, let's go. What you got? So, as a community school coordinator, I enjoy interacting with our students and families. I enjoy being able to support them in any area they need, whether it's linking them with EAOP for college and career readiness. I think athletics is a great way to build school morale, so I'm always showing up at games and supporting our students and our families, whether it's at school or outside of school. I think it's very important to connect with our community organizations as well as we lean on them for resources, but to make sure that we're out and about at their events as well, participating and helping support them with their vision as well.
So our partnership with our community schools coordinator is we collaborate together on parent outreach. We participate in their cafecitos where we outreach to the community and our students about college and career readiness.
What I get from being with Mr. Justin is that he could help me out with a lot of things, and he's just somebody I could go to if anything's going wrong.
I believe that's what builds community.